When choosing a premium download service for streaming and file hosting access, three leading options stand out in 2024: Real-Debrid, Alldebrid, and Premiumize. Each offers distinct advantages depending on your needs and budget. Real-Debrid remains the most popular unrestricted downloader, providing high-speed access to files from numerous hosting sites. Priced at approximately €4 per month, without a free trial, it's particularly favored by Kodi users for its reliable HD streaming and convenient web player for instant playback. Its strength lies in consistent performance for both downloading and streaming content. Alldebrid serves as the budget-friendly alternative at just €3 monthly, offering a free trial to test its services. Like Real-Debrid, it unlocks premium links across 70-plus file hosters and integrates well with tools like JDownloader. While it lacks some advanced features, it delivers excellent value for users prioritizing affordable, high-speed downloads without extras. Premiumize occupies the premium tier at €9 per month, distinguishing itself as a comprehensive cloud solution. Beyond downloading, it provides 1 terabyte of storage, a built-in VPN, and automation features like RSS support. This makes it ideal for power users who want an all-in-one solution for downloading, streaming, privacy protection, and file management. For pure cost-effectiveness, Alldebrid is the clear winner. Real-Debrid strikes the best balance between price and performance for most users, while Premiumize justifies its higher price tag with premium features for tech-savvy consumers. All three services deliver strong speeds, though performance may vary by location and supported hosters. Ultimately, your choice should depend on whether you prioritize affordability, Alldebrid, reliability, Real-Debrid, or advanced functionality, Premiumize. Each service caters to different user needs in the evolving landscape of online downloading and streaming. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.